we're just heading down to the start of the Grand Staircase loop, leaving Escalante. Going to be away for 4 days. Currently got about 16 litres of water.
A 178-mile ride through southern Utah, a two-wheeled ramble through hot desert valleys, grand escarpments and crumbling ridgelines. Not a whole lot of water. So we're just filling up water at Last Chance Creek because we are unsure when the next water will be. Probably could keep going, but I said I probably could keep going. Oi!
Oh.
You told me not to ride. You told me to push.
Oh, you made me laugh. Oh, I could have done that.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed, 'cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger, stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers, 'cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun.
We ran into two bikepackers and they told us that the sheriff told them that the Big Sky gas station has been closed for years. So we have doubts about our food prospects.
Thankfully, the sheriff was wrong. Big Water gas station was open and stocked with what a hungry bikepacker might call food.
When I was younger, my mama said, gotta make your green and you'll be seeing red. 'Cause if you ain't got none, well, nobody gonna come for you.
Well, we left Big Water with 18 litres of water, but out here we're just not prepared to walk past a water source and not just fill a bottle up. So we just got plenty of water here.
Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down.
Pretty easy riding today. Just a lot hotter than we thought. Anyway, eat some pretzels, have a wash, set up camp and chill out.
Oh, you better run.
We're on Death Ridge. It's a little bit rocky, but with the plus tyres, it seems to be handling it pretty well. A couple of small pinchy sections that had to push up.
So we're pretty cooked. It's just been a long 3 days, just beautiful landscape, but hot. And the last half of today was really spiky and hilly. Lots of hiker bike, and we are tired. On the final day, we pushed through a short and punchy morning hiker bike to the top of the plateau. Then we finished with a friendly descent back to Escalante. Grand Staircase Loop complete.
If you really like this content, please like, subscribe, or comment. Till next ride, catch ya!